And he just followed me. And guess what? He in fitness too.
Oh, because I said we needed a new trainer. I'm sorry, Chris, but right.
Fitness and finance.
Oh, he'll get your money right.
AK, Asha, AK, Kosh, AK, Asha, Let me hop on.
Morning vlog. I'm back in my, schedule program. I'm in my workout outfit because I'm about to head to the gym. So I am actually running late, but hey, I'm still going. Musty's house don't even go. And I'm going. Let me put y'all right here real quick. I gotta put some water in here. Because I keep on hearing Ty keep on mentioning high value men. And he's not the first person to mention that high value men stuff to me, right? I've heard it from a couple of guys, right? And I'm like, do I want a high value man? I date high value men. What these high value men like? Because high value men said they like girls that, are fit, that look good. I'm like, if he was saying if you're not taken by a 25 and you're a woman, that means, and you think you're a 10, that means you're really a 7. But we just made it to the gym. I went like I said, Chloe. She got me back in the gym because our trainer is hurt. But she still know what the hell going on. So we finna get lit. We got it all to ourselves today. Yeah, you guys know what outfit I'm wearing today. Y'all seen the haul. Let me show y'all. Code, link in the bio. Save some money. Shop with me. Yeah. Yeah, your girl about to get big. Okay, let's get it. I'm about to put my waist on. I got my water. Let's go. So, like I said, me and Chloe's trainer's not here.
Here with Coach Kosh, Chloe Memoir.
Period. So we just literally just talked about our workout today, and we slick are giving ourselves a full body workout.
Full body. So we're gonna warm up. We're gonna warm up for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna do some lunges, and then we're gonna go into our first circuit.
Right, and it's gonna be legs. We said the little.
Squat.
Right. It's like you gotta be here to know what we're talking about. We're gonna do the squat, we do deadlifts,
and then weighted those things.
Yeah, but I don't know what they are, but you do a dip and make your booty pop.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do arms and back.
That's for the second circuit.
Arms, yeah, that's for the second circuit. Arms, back. What is this? This thingy?
Wait, no, we're gonna do lat pull downs.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna do knees.
Right.
And then we're gonna put the
leg press
in there.
And then one
bench press.
Yeah, we do that gym life. We just, we just don't know the terms, but we know the workouts. Okay, period. Thank you. Shout out to Chris. He helped us with all of this.
Yeah, King Snatch.
He done got our body snatched, so might as well.
Get that arm straight up. I want to see him straight up. Yes. Let's go. Yep. Perfect. Yes.
We saw man, he had a dog, he was cute, right?
He was fine.
We macking over here, we talking.
Look, he was fine. And I don't think he had no girl.
I'm saying he might do have a girl only because, y'all, he gave her the dog Instagram. And then she looked good. Chloe looked good. Okay?
But look. I think that was all a part of his game. Like, he didn't want to be. I ain't asked him for his Instagram. He told me she had an Instagram.
True.
I ain't asked him for his number, but I got the Instagram.
You did get the Instagram.
Got the Instagram. I don't think he had. If he had a girl, they ain't solid.
They for sure ain't solid.
For sure ain't solid.
Cause you definitely got the end.
Because right, exactly. They ain't solid because he could have been like, nah, my like.
He didn't even have to mention the dog Instagram.
He didn't even have to mention. He didn't even have to say it was cool for me to walk the dog. He told me I could walk the dog.
Right, talking about I'll let y'all back in. Y'all can come. You can come all the way out the gym. Oh, okay. Okay.
Look, I'm telling you, I don't think he got a girl. He got somebody he talking to, probably. But I'm telling you, he ain't locked in.
They not locked in. I know for facts they not locked in. He definitely want to see what you about.
Hell yeah, he just.
Cause you was
Seconds ago.
right. He liked the message. You gotta shoot your shots, ladies. I was watching this podcast the other day that said if you want a high value man, a man that's making $100K a year plus, someone got in status, you can't let him come to you. You got to come to him. And you don't have to be thirsty with it. You just gotta lay down your little, what they say, napkin, you don't gotta do a lot, just leave some breadcrumbs. Cause now he know who you are, cause he know your Instagram, cause you follow the dog. And let her bag the man. Let her bag the man, cause he was cute too. Okay?
Right.
He was fine with the dog. And he got been it. Hey, let's get this work out. It's the fact that we've been here since 8 o'clock. Do y'all see what time it is? Hour 30. Cause we put in work. A lot of y'all say y'all be in the gym. Y'all don't be in the gym for real. Y'all only be in the gym for 30 minutes. Talk about y'all putting in some work. How you be in the gym for 30 minutes putting in work? That don't make no sense. You ain't even break a sweat yet.
And he just followed me. And guess what? He in fitness too.
Oh, cause I said we needed a new trainer. I'm sorry, Chris. Right.
Fitness and finance.
Oh, he'll get your money right. He travels. That's you.
Look, he like to have fun. He got his passport. Hold on.
Oh, he's for you. My God, this nigga. What? Don't show. I'm not. This nigga. Hey. That's you working out. Hey, I get it. Oh, shit. Don't be working out. Hey, okay. Stupid, man. We in the gym with it, y'all. Y'all be trying to figure out how you find men at the gym, bitch. At the gym, getting lit, getting right with your sick.
Okay, go ahead.
You guys, we already finished the set. But I just wanted to show y'all, that don't mean that you can keep going. You keep going. Don't stop. Come on.
Coach Kosh. Let's go. Yes, ma'am. That's right. Nice.
Woo.
Good job.
I'm tired.
That's what you gonna tell them?
Honestly, this is like my fifth set, so I should be tired. I just made me a protein shake. I made me a breakfast burrito. It was just eggs, spinach, bell pepper, onions. It was just a burrito, and I had a little veggie bacon in it. That's what I ate for breakfast. I didn't show you guys because I was on the phone with Ty, but he got me back in my focus. So you guys, I don't know about y'all, but I'm in school. I graduate this year. I have assignments that I didn't do. I had one July 2nd that I didn't do, so I'm about to do that today because I didn't do my calendar for July yet. And this is something I do every single month, the beginning of the month. And yeah, so I'm about to do this with you guys. Put y'all on, show you guys how I do my calendar. But before I start, I need to take my allergy medicine. You guys, I hope you guys are taking, I got a whole medicine cabinet, you guys. This is the allergy medicine I take, Flonase, with some Kroger, one a day, all day allergies. I didn't take my vitamins yet, so I'm about to take those now. I take the Perfect Women's Multi, and I take 4 of my vitamin D pills because they're good for mental health. They're good for all black people. If you're black, you need to be taking vitamin D every day. And I'm going to take just 1 iron because, I'm a woman. And that's what I'm about to take before I start my little thingy. I'm just showing you guys how I get my life together, how I get motivated, how I stay on track, how I'm able to keep producing how I am. And this is just how I'm doing. I just want to motivate you and inspire you guys to keep going. And this is how I keep going. There's 4 of those. 2 of these. I love gummies. Got to get the gummies. You got to get the gummies. And 1 of these. And I alternate these. My doctor knows how many pills I'm taking. I'm not overdosing on any vitamins. My doctor knows everything. This is what she tells me. She even told me to alternate on my iron pills so I don't take them every day. Because your body doesn't need that much iron. And it's the way you absorb it. So our body doesn't absorb vitamin D as well. So that's why you take 4 of those to at least get a little bit of it. And that's why I take 1 of these, because the body absorbs the iron really well. So you only can take these one every other day. I recommend always talking with your doctor before starting any pills, any vitamins. That's what I do. Just letting y'all know. The hustle sign. Y'all see the hustle sign. So I just get all my dry erase markers out. I like to be color organized. Every color represents something that I gotta do. So this is a pro tip if you're trying to get into organizing your life. Color coordinating your calendar is important. This is for July. When I think of July, I think of blue. So that's what I'm going to use to write my July 2021. I always start by putting the month up here, of course. But July 2021. Because I'll be forgetting what year it is, y'all. I can't be the only one. I can't. So luckily I have my school calendar up right here so I can know the days. So the first was on a Thursday. In the year, I like to start off by putting the days. 3. Even though it's already passed, it's still good to put 6. And then August is at this one, so I like to draw a line when August starts so I'll know that is a different month right here. And I'll put 1, 2, right? And I'll put, like, sometimes I write August. So August, of course, in green, I like to put rent due. So I know on August 1st, I best to have my rent check, okay? All right, because I'm not playing with these hoes. Now that's over with. Now we're going to put my schoolwork in. So basically, schoolwork, I just see what's due and I just click through like my schedule on school. I just write it all down. For schoolwork, I'm gonna do orange. So I also have a little side job where I work only 2 days and I only have to work Tuesday and Thursday this week. So I'm gonna put that in the color purple, okay? I should put that in green still because that's money. I might do that. Nah, I'm gonna keep it in green. Nah, I'm gonna put it in purple, green. It really doesn't matter, but I'm putting it in green. That's money, okay? All right. So this is what I got thus far. Of course, the blank pages, they're gonna be filled up sooner than later. This is just what I have already on my calendar and already what I know what I'm doing this week. I definitely have a hair appointment somewhat throughout this week that I need to make sure I put on my calendar. And yeah, so that's how I basically do it. And again, like I said, it's empty, but trust and believe these spaces are gonna be full. And I post every day, so I don't say post, but trust and believe there's gonna be a video that's dropping every day. And I have to set a time to edit, and that's just something that I'm doing that takes me 10-30 minutes out of my day. So that's what I don't even have to put it because I know I'm doing it. And yeah, and you guys also on top of that, I keep goals all over my house to remind me what I am going for. Like, I'm not playing games with you guys. I'm trying to be in my bag, okay? Like, you guys, I just came from the gym, y'all saw that. And that's basically my morning. It's only 12 o'clock. That's what I do in the morning, you guys. I still have the rest of my day. Just imagine waking up early and getting your whole day done. And now the rest of the day you have to chill and do whatever you want. So like right now I'm about to edit, post, and yeah, relax. I did a lot already. And I'm grateful. And I'm busy. I'm booked and busy. And I say my mantras. And I say my goals to myself every single day because it's all about the mindset. If you have a strong mindset, nothing's gonna shake you. And I promise you guys, I just wanna make sure that you guys are keeping that mindset strong good, and I hope that you guys have a blessed day. I hope this video motivated you guys to get up and get out and get active.
I have a great time with my life, and I want to share it. Greatness is not this wonderful, esoteric, elusive, God-like feature that only the special among us will ever taste. You know, it's something that truly exists in all of us.